let's talk about what happened yesterday. And to break some of that down for us is our Storm Team Meteorologist Carson Metcalf, who's live for us at the Cortland Country Club. Good morning, Carson.
That's right, Kate. Good morning to you, and good morning, everyone. Definitely damage as far as the eye can see. Here we're live, as Kate mentioned, at the Cortland Country Club this morning. I want Anthony, our cameraman here, to pan over. You can see just the extent of this incredible damage. A large piece of this tree just being sheared right off, just snapping here, laying on the ground this morning. That is a tall, thick piece of tree there. You see numerous branches, numerous sticks, leaves. Just not only one or two trees here on the grounds of the Cortland Country Club, but numerous tree damage here. And we've just learned the Cortland Country Club closed until further notice. They put out a statement on their Facebook page yesterday evening saying the storm caused the golf course significant damage in the form of downed trees that we're seeing here this morning. While the damage is assessed, and for your safety, they're asking that you refrain from coming onto the property until further notice, promising to keep the members of the Cortland Country Club updated. And Kate and I have been touching on this morning as well. An extreme day yesterday, and historic day for sure. The National Weather Service offices across New York State issuing a record number of tornado warnings, that being 42, that just surpassing May 31st, 1998, 41 tornado warnings issued on that day. Certainly an active day many years ago, an active day yesterday. Not only did we have that tornado threat, but also, as you see here, that damaging wind threat, those winds and some of those thunderstorms potentially up around 60 plus miles per hour. We dealt with some hail, some flooding rain as well. As expected, all modes of severe weather were on the table yesterday, but luckily a much nicer day by comparison. Still some showers around, but it's certainly nice to see the sun right now as the cleanup gets set to continue here in Cortland County and across central New York on this Thursday. We're live in Cortland this morning. Carson Metcalf, News Channel 9.